So guys, Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a vehicle to your USAA insurance. So to do this is pretty simple. So if you're new to USAA, you'll have to register first, and then when you're registering, or you can just log on right here, they will actually give you this. If you're new, check and then get started. So basically, if you'll have to actually do this survey, but we'll skip that and we'll go to the auto insurance quote right away. So right here, first you will add your marital status, date of birth, driver's license, and here the license number and the location. So the state's gonna be here and the age. So basically that's the next one. So next is we're gonna have our second one, which is our vehicle, which is our driver and passenger. Here you have your vehicle daytime running lights and anti-theft system. If this all checks out right here, you're good to go. So next is the vehicle use, which is going to be skipped for now because there's private information there, but there's going to be coverages right here. So coverages, so here, if it mostly covers your family, others, or just yourself. So next is actually the auto insurance quote. So you're gonna have your name right here, and then here your vehicle and where and when it begins, and then here you will have your similar coverage or your personalized coverage. So here, as you can see, you will see that there's personal coverage that's just made for you. So there's going to be an auto insurance code, and there you can add your vehicle to the USAA insurance. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.